Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing great. Today in this video, I am going to walk you through the self-sponsor video route for the UK, which allows you to establish your own company and use it to sponsor your entry and employment in the UK through a skilled worker visa. In this video, I will cover everything you need to know about the self-sponsor visa, pathway including visa, validity, total cost processing, timelines, bringing family members, types of business you can establish, main requirements, and how to obtain a sponsor license. So make sure you guys stay until the end of this video. Recently, the UK government increased the minimum salary threshold for overseas workers applying for the skilled worker visa by about 48%. This move aimed to reduce overall migrations number. However, with the self-sponsor route, you don't need to worry about these changes, making this pathway particularly advantageous right now. The self-sponsor visa can be valid up to 5 years with cost ranging from €464 to 400. The processing time typically takes between 3 to 6 months depending on your business setup. This route can also lead to settlement in the UK and you can bring along your dependents including your partners and children. So now let's talk about the types of company you can start. You can own shares in the business and there's no minimum investment required. This means that even if you have limit fund, now you can still qualify for this route. For the self-sponsor route is not a specific visa type but rather a pathway for individuals looking to start a business and live in the UK. This mainly involves setting up a company and appointing yourself as a skilled worker within the business, which allows you to apply for a skilled worker visa. You can either create a new business to take over an existing one. While on this route, your company must pay you a granted salary that align with the minimum pay requirements for your role. Essentially, you will be paying yourself. Yes, this pathway allows you to apply for a skilled worker visa, which means you can bring your spouse or partner and children under 18 to the UK with you. The visa you can be issued for a minimum of 5 years and cost range from 464 to 1400 euro. Generally, the entire process of setting up a business and obtaining a skilled worker visa can take anywhere from 3 to 6 months. Depending on the specifics of your business, you can renew your sponsored skilled visa based on the length of your certificates of sponsor CA. If your cost is for 5 years, you can apply for indefinite leave to remain ILR at the end of that period. If it's for less than 5 years, you may need to extend your visa to reach the 5-year mark. You can set up a variety of business to qualify for the sponsored visa, including sectors like financial services, hospitality, constructions, healthcare, and more. There's a comprehensive list of applicable sectors where you can start your sponsor company, which will link in the description below. To qualify, you need to have experience, skills, or qualification relevant to the business you want to start. While there's no minimum investment, you must prove you have adequate fund to support your business plan. Additionally, you need to demonstrate English language proficiency at a B1 level. You will also need a UK style CV and cover letter that outlines your job responsibilities. If you're unsure how to create these, feel free to reach out for assistance. The application process: once establish a UK company, register your business and apply for a sponsor license. If you are non-UK residents, you will need to appoint a UK-based director. This process usually takes about 6 to 8 weeks. To create an HR pack, prepare necessary policies and procedure for sponsoring yourself as a skilled worker. This typically takes around 2 days. 3. Obtain a certificate of sponsor CS. This unique number is essential for your skilled worker visa application. The entire process can be done online and usually take 4 to 12 weeks. That's wrap up on how you can sales sponsor your move to the UK. For more immigration tips, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and the best of luck with your application.